Welcome to Get Integrated Automobile, and what you're seeing here is electronic exhaust cutout. You know, this is it in my hand, and what this actually do is giving you two different sound on the vehicle: loud and silent. Anytime you want to cruise, you can go with loud. Want to go lowly, slow mo, you can go on silent. So here you can see cut off the exhaust. This is the factory pipe cut off from here, and you have the cutout. You can see from here. This is the mouth here. Open, close. And here goes to the pipe here. The other head also go here. And right here, what we're about to do now is to weld it on. So I'll show you later how it works. To watch, I have the oxygen here to weld it on. This is how we start now. See? Take the seating very well. Make sure it's okay. See? Then go on for welding. Yeah, I'd like to take you more on our project yesterday. Exhaust cutout. You know, like yesterday, what you see was the procedure, cutting and reinstalling it back. Now we have it on, and I'm gonna show you how it works. Right here, this is the switch stretch out. No, that's the switch where you control it from. And looking up there, that's the exhaust cutout out. So thank you. That's it. Thank you.